In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gallery on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio, displaying your products, or just want to share a collection of memories, Squarespace provides a straightforward and elegant solution to create a stunning gallery on your website. Let's dive into the steps to get your gallery up and running. Let's start by navigating to the Squarespace website. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed. Squarespace offers a smooth experience by allowing you to continue with Google for your login process. If you have a Google account, which I'm sure most of us do, simply click Continue with Google. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts you've previously used on your device. Click on the Google account you wish to use for Squarespace. Remember, choosing the correct account is crucial, especially if you have separate accounts for personal and business purposes. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to go to your website. If you have more than one site on Squarespace, make sure you select the correct one. You can usually find your websites listed under your Squarespace account. Now it's time for the fun part, editing your website. Look for the edit button, which is your gateway to customization. This is where you can add new sections, change layouts, and yes, create your gallery. To add a new section for your gallery, you'll find an Add Section button. Click on it and Squarespace will present you with various section options. We're focusing on adding a gallery, so be on the lookout for the Images option. Once you find it, click on it. Squarespace offers different gallery layouts and styles. Take a moment to explore your options and choose the gallery that best fits your vision. Each gallery style has its unique appeal, whether it's a simple grid, a slideshow, or a carousel. After selecting your preferred gallery type, it's time to populate it with images. You can usually drag and drop images from your computer, or select them from your Squarespace library if you've previously uploaded images. Arrange the photos according to your liking and feel free to play around with the layout until you're satisfied with how it looks. Lastly, do not forget to click Save. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. This action ensures all your hard work is not lost and that your gallery will be visible to anyone visiting your website. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning gallery on your Squarespace website. Feel free to revisit the edit section if you want to add more images, change the layout, or update the gallery in any way. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes it easy to keep your gallery fresh and engaging. Remember, your gallery is a reflection of what you want to showcase to the world, so take pride in creating something that represents you or your brand. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.